Still there.
This is where I got knocked off in the MX-5, isn't it? Christ.
Clear.
Yeah. Trying to avoid getting knocked off. And what, have I lost 3 spots? 3 places. Bloody hell.
Still there.
So, we're in the Formula Ford 1600. This is going to be a mental challenge. I'm at 2,990 something I rating. I'm hoping to cross across to 3K. I've done this race twice already and won both of them. Very close races. But I've jumped into the third one and there's some really quick guys here. So rather than being on pole, which I was for the last one, and second for the one before, I'm now 5th. I just want to get a good finish. Click across. So 2,991, I can just see. If I finished here, I'd do it. But I'd like to finish a bit higher. But this is going to be a mental challenge, as well as a physical one, because it's very, very hot. It's 30 degrees in my sim room. I've just stuck my head under the shower.
Green, green, green.
That has helped. The guy I beat twice for the win is the guy just behind, Adrian. He's probably a bit annoyed because I've beaten him twice now. And he was probably a little bit quicker, although I have out-qualified him. But anyway. Okay, I need to focus because I nearly got my gears wrong then. These guys ahead look pretty quick, don't they? Let's just see if we can go with them. Take the slipstream. Okay, one of them's off.
Car on your left. Clear.
How on earth did he get that stopped?
Clear.
How on earth did he get that stopped? That's amazing, Chris. I don't know how you did that.
Right side. Clear on the right.
I say there's no room through that. Christ, I think he's getting a bit impatient, the guy, Adrian, because like I said, I've beaten him twice now. Overtook him on the last lap last time. So he's probably had enough of me. Probably thinks he's due for a win. Christ, Chris is really struggling, isn't he? Which is... making me struggle a bit. It really is fast and furious around here. So I'm well practiced, which is good. Just messing with my timing thing, which is why I was a little bit slow there. I think I've set it now. Session best lap, that's what we want.
53.174.
Did he run into the back of me then? I think he did. Bloody hell, he's not taking any prisoners, I think. I've noticed a change in his driving in this race, definitely. He's much more aggressive. I think he's probably decided that sitting behind me is not the way he's going to win. I mean, he did get by me last race, but I got by him again on the last lap. Got up his inside here and then he went deep into the next corner. And I got him into the chicane. I'm a bit worried here that he's going to hit me and I won't get this I rating. He's off again. What is he doing?
Left side.
He is off again.
Clear on the left.
But he's very quick, so I need to be careful of him. Right on me already, look.
Right side. Still there.
This is where I got knocked off in the MX-5, isn't it? Christ.
Clear.
Yeah. Trying to avoid getting knocked off. And what, have I lost 3 spots? 3 places. Bloody hell.
Still there. Keep to the left. Clear on the right.
Bugger. I'm bloody going to lose I rating at this rate. I knew I shouldn't have done this video.
6.49.
I knew I was tempting fate. I'm going to need some help here, I think. That guy's off again. And so I need some help. He nearly took him out then, didn't he? The guy behind nearly hit me. Bloody hell. Oh, it would have been much easier if this had been a low strength field and I'd been at the front, I'll tell you. I don't know that I'm going to be able to get past any of these guys.
Go right.
Okay, so he's hit.
Clear on the right.
What's happened there then? So two have gone missing, haven't they? No, I'm not going to let him up the inside. So, Daniel, we've got to get by.
Car on your left.
Bloody hell.
Still there.
It's a flipping nightmare, this is.
Keep to the right.
Ah,
Clear on the left. 46.726.
absolute nightmare. Ah, come on. Having to slow a lot there just to get round. So I was offline. I do not want Chi Ching Gook to come by. I just need a clear lap. I think I can get away from them.
Car on your left.
Yeah, he's not going by there. That cost him a load of time. It's like one of them disappeared and the other one hit the wall, didn't he? So I don't know what went on there. We'll see in the replay. Look at the leaders. They've just gone, haven't they? Bloody hell. It's all over me again. Just need to get away. He's not. I'm not dropping him, am I?
5 minutes to go.
Bloody hell.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 43.879. 45.646.
So I can do 44s,
You're in 4th position.
but I haven't done any for a little while. So that's what I need, I think. I need to pull out a 44 from somewhere. Whether I'll be able to or not without killing myself, I don't know. He's quick round there, isn't he? I don't want him to force me into a mistake, really. So I try and go through there too quick. I'll be in a lot of trouble. Hey!
Behind.
Sorry to cheer someone else's misfortune, but hey!
3.1 seconds.
Oh, God, I'm pleased about that. I am pleased about that. Okay, 4th. I mean, we're just too far back now, aren't we? I think. We just got to bring it home. As long as I don't kill myself or do anything stupid.
The car behind. The gap is 4.
Oh. Well, we've done it. We've done it. Okay. Oh, well, we'll have a look at the incidents. We'll have a look at the results, and then we'll just have a look at my iRating since I've been on iRacing, and we'll see how it's changed. Okay, here's a start then. So we got away. Okay. I was happy with that. And then what was going on? So this is a bit behind. Oh, just got caught. Oh, blimey. Gosh, are those the two we were racing? It was, yeah. So where did the other guy go? Well, we were lucky there, weren't we? Very lucky. Well, he just went off there. That's why we didn't see him. And then these two, I mean, oh, that's a tough place. Yeah, I mean, he just turned into him, didn't he? Yeah. Well, thank you. That really helped. What a clean race. So here we go then. So that was top split out of 9. I got some SATA rating, and yeah, I got some I rating. So 3,030. I'm sure it'll bump up and down from there, but I think that's quite a milestone for me. I've never been that high before. Racing against people with 5,600, 4,600, 4,200, 3,000. Oh, that's me, 3,000. So, yeah. Yeah. It is a good indicator, I think. This guy's got 3. So, Chris, he was fast, but just a bit unfortunate, I think. So, yeah, it's been a good few races. Let's just have a look. So, yeah, if we just have a look at the last 3 races I did, so you can see I won 2 of them. So quite pleased with that. Got 117 points, 120 points, and then 114 points for finishing 4th, because this was a much higher strength field. Strength of field looked 2,7. These are only 2,000. So, you know, I guess that's about right, isn't it? So, yeah, very pleased. Very pleased about that. Yeah, good. So let's just quickly look at my iRating journey. So if you have a look at your profile page and then go to stats, you can see your iRating over time. If we go to formula, some of you may or may not know, but back in 2024, March it was, they split out Formula and sports car. Before then, you just had one iRating, and it was for road cars or road course cars. But they split it out, so it only goes back that far. But you can see when they split it, I was at 18, and I think the sports car was lower. Well, it was almost, well, it's the same, wasn't it? Because they split it out. So they just gave you both the same. Sports car was always my weakest. Anyway, Formula. So we went from 18, went really well. Like within a month, I was up to 2.8. And then you can see it's just been a bit of a journey, up and down, up and down, up and down. This is the lowest point, 1,600. I really struggled. I don't know what I was doing back in early 2025. And then sort of a steady improvement. I've sort of leveled out around the 2.5K mark. And then dropped a few. And then I tried that sort of gaining 500 in a day. And there's a video for that, but it didn't quite work. But just recently, I thought, well, why don't I practice before I race? And that's what this is. I started practicing. So I've been doing those time trials. I've been going on and practicing before the race rather than sort of doing a couple of races and thinking, well, the second one will be better. I'm actually practicing before, and it's made a difference. So yeah, up to 3K. So 4K next. That's going to be quite difficult, but maybe 3K in a sports car. So we've got a bit to go there. But again, I'll take the same approach. I'll practice. I've got a whole 1,000 to go there. But yeah, I know, for some people it's not important, but it's good. You're getting the better splits. And I'm racing against people with much higher iRating than I've got at the moment in the Formula V. So it'd be nice to maybe push myself a bit and get up there. Anyway, I enjoyed that. I was pleased, very pleased. It could have gone horribly wrong. I'm glad it didn't. I hope you enjoyed it too as well. And if you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time on the track.